Dear students, we are moving to next part, that is Awadh. Mulk Saadat Khan was appointed Subadar of Awadh in 1722 and founded a state which was one of the most important to emerge out of the break of Mughal emperor. Then in North India, Awadh was under the control of Saadat Khan, and he was they are also thinking that we want to be separated from Mughal emperor. Awadh was a prosperous region because of the Ganga river, Ganga alluvial plain, like that. So that we have studied in 6th standard, the physical features of India, that we studied about northern plain, and northern plain area very fertile area, so it was very prosperous, controlling the rich alluvial Ganga plain and the main trade route between North India and Bengal. So through Awadh only, from North India, means the Delhi area or Agra area, they are going to Bengal area through Awadh, means that through that province, because using the waterway maximum on that time, that's why. Then Saadat Khan also held the combined office of Subadari, Diwani and Faujdari. In other words, he was responsible for managing political, financial and military affairs of the province of Awadh. So all three duties, the Mughal emperor, they given different names. Subadari, it is for political power, means the governor of that area. Then Diwani, that is the duty of the collecting revenue and spending revenue. Then Faujdari, that is the duty of the military affairs. All three duties he got. Who got? Saadat Khan. Then Saadat Khan tried to decrease Mughal influence in the Awadh region by reducing the number of the office holders. Jagirdars, what was appointed by the Mughal emperor, that is reduced. Why? He want to get control in his hand, and he want to overcome the influence of Mughal emperor. And because he was very near to Agra and Delhi area, so it was very easy to command control over the Awadh to whom Mughal emperor. So he want to get rid of. The account of the Jagirdar were checked to prevent cheating, and revenue of all districts were reassessed by the officials appointed by the Nawab's court. Nawab means Saadat Khan. In Saadat Khan's office, he appointed somebody to take care about this, whom Jagirdar appointed by Mughal emperors. He seized a number of Rajput zamindaris and agriculturally fertile lands of the Afghans of the Rohilkhand. And not only Awadh area, he extended his power to the western side, to Punjab side and Afghanistan side, or even to Rajasthan side. The state depended on local bankers and Mahajans for loans. The agriculture people, those who was in the Awadh area, they was depending on the money lenders or the banks made by the local banks. They was depending. It sold the right to collect tax to the highest bidders, and these revenue farmers agreed to pay the state to a fixed amount of money instead of collecting tax now and then. What they said, the farmers, what they said, or they said like that they are ready to pay a sum of amount for the state, like that. Local bankers guaranteed the payment of these contracts contracted amongst the state. So the bankers, what they will do, they will collect that sum from the farmers and they will pay to the state, like that. They made a contract like that. Then in turn, the revenue farmers were given considerable freedom in the assessment of and collection of tax. So in the reassessment time, so the farmers started to get little bit of freedom or more freedom from the Mughal emperor. And these developed allowed new social groups like money lenders and bankers. So the by that time, because of this giving a small not small amount like every year or every harvest tax, instead of that what this giving a big amount to the emperor or this Nawab means Sadat Khan, and for that purpose they want to depend on money lenders or bankers to get that money. So the bankers, they also said like that they are ready to pay for the farmer, then slowly they will get it from them. So one of the another one social group it is developing, or in Karur area we are very familiar with this financing program and other things, giving money today morning and evening, collecting it back with some interest like that. So that things we are very familiar in this area. So in our area also they started the same thing, or a new social group like money lenders, private money lenders as well as private bankers, they developed and they started to influence the management of the state revenue system, something which had not occurred in the past. So these money lenders as well as the bankers, they was able to influence, or even what we can say, there was part of decision making in this Awadh area, because they are collecting that big amount what the farmer agreed to give to the state, or with that amount only state can run. So what happened, there was these money lenders and the bankers got more influence in the Nawab's court, or in front of Sadat Khan. So like that, once new social group arise in the society, by that time, in the time of Mughal emperor, that is money lenders and bankers. We are having our own bank which is started before independent itself, like Karur Vysya Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, like that banks are here, and so many means private financial helpers or money lenders are there, like that something you are saying here in this area, means if you are giving 1,000 rupees to today morning, evening they will collect it like that 1,100, like that. Some programs are there in our area, not only here, everywhere, but we are familiar because of this industries and the other things. Okay, we will continue in next video.